gym.
Ladies and gentlemen, your following WPW match is set for one fall with a 20-minute time limit. Introducing first, weighing in at 175 pounds and hailing from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, he is the notorious one, Drew Blood.
Drew Blood, how about him? Do you know about him? Do you? Do you?
You know someone who entertain us,
Vicious competitor. What are they? ECW. I messed up. I admit it. ECW rigid. This man, I see one reason I wish that none of it's Drew Blood. I don't have to say much.
No, you don't. You don't, because the real Double D says holy
censored.
And his opponent, weighing at 203 pounds and hailing from Charlestown, Massachusetts, fully automatic, Macintosh. Party people, the moment you've been waiting for is here. Make some noise.
It's not Perry Saturn.
It's not Perry Saturn.
No one is Perry Saturn.
There's no mop involved in this.
What? Okay. So once again, Marco Polo refereeing this match.
Why are you even reading the chat? They're just distracting you.
Come on.
Blood wins or we riot, says the internet.
Okay.
The internet firmly behind Drew Blood here.
Internet likes Drew Blood. What a gift! What a fun! Oh, wow!
Bell is rung, and we are set for action here.
Bell is right next to my ear, and it hurts.
I had to go over here. Collar and elbow tie up here.
Now, why is that a collar and elbow tie up? I know. Shut up.
That's what everyone else does. Wrist lock here, counter.
Arm wringer. It's technical because you put him in an arm wringer.
It's the first one we've seen all day.
Oh, yes.
All right.
Oh, okay. Hey, look, a hammer lock. Oh my God, it's a 5-star match. Yes, chain wrestling. Yes.
Takes him down.
Hard way there. So, yeah.
Again, yeah. You don't just have to say things.
You know, I like.
You don't have. You can let the match breathe, and you don't have to fill the void all the time.
There are too many jokes in there, which none are appropriate for this. Well, it's the internet.
How about you shut up, you goober? Says the internet. Jockeying for a position here.
Though I do miss goobers, I haven't had them.
Shut up. Just shut up. Macintosh throwing him up with authority.
Yes, with authority.
He did.
Could you be any more commentary with authority? Next you're going to say, what a debacle. Oh, what a debacle. So Macintosh definitely stronger than two. Drew Blood's the smaller, so he's going to definitely have to use a
They're roughly the same size. We'll say Macintosh.
Not the same size.
McIntyre's got a little bit more mass on him. Arm drag. Follows leg lariat and Drew Blood quietly on the outside. In the first row, and he fell over. Oh man!
That's why this
Those just sit down. He fell right over. You guys didn't see that right there.
Internet, you would have to be here to see these things.
But Drew Blood was to sit down and topple over in our these excellent chairs we have here, courtesy of the Hand Fire Hall.
Field house. Oh, hey, I love it. Get him. Ah, there's the smarts. There's the brains of Drew Blood. I love it. What is so funny?
Your reaction to simple things. Okay.
A simple thing. He is now in control of the match, and it's a simple thing.
It is simple.
There's nothing simple about it. He's going to win the match because he's smart.
Forearm to the chops, to the game chops, if you will.
What?
Now it's up and around.
Oh! What?
Back.
Wait, here comes the internet. Cheering. Cheering. Oh no!
Handspring. Back elbow.
We're going to name drop on the internet. It's a handspring back elbow.
Are you done trying to pick a fight with the internet?
The internet's
Irish slip. Shoulder tackle. Looks like 2 count only. I get a feeling that this match is just getting started.
No, we can't bring Dave Adams back. We can't. You're stuck with me.
Back to the midsection here. Now, talking about Drew Blood and WPW. What has he done? How long has he been there?
Drew Blood is a very established wrestler. Not just in WPW.
All right, so Drew Blood.
You silenced me for counting.
I did. Come on! Couldn't make it. He couldn't make it over. 2 count. So Drew Blood in WPW. We have Matt Macintosh here making a name for himself at the expense of Drew Blood. But what did Drew Blood? Oh, Body Slam's going to go to the top.
Yes, I don't think that this is a good move for a guy his size. Because what goes up, must come down.
Apparently, well there. You're laughing. The man's
You know what?
ligament could have been ripped out.
It's his own fault. Should not have gone to the top.
Marco Polo. There's a time limit on this show? Oh no, 5, okay. Anyway. Leg drop there. 2 count only.
Like I was saying, very established, not only in WPW, but across the independent circuit is not only a light heavyweight competitor, but also one of those ultra-violent, hardcore things that is just a mess, and I don't like any of that nonsense.
Ultra-violent, hardcore.
It's a mess. It's a mess. It's an art. Yeah, it's an art form. It's like the abstract art in your underwear art form. It's disgusting. It's gross.
Professor, what's your name again? Kitchen Sink.
No, I am not Professor Kitchen Sink.
I didn't say that. The move is called the Kitchen Sink. Into the lower abdominal region.
Lower abdominals.
He hit him where something you don't have. 2 count. Oh,
hey,
sorry.
That's not nice.
What's not nice?
That wasn't nice. Nice.
I can't be anything but honest. Drew Blood now in control. Matt Macintosh trying to get the momentum he had once before earlier in the match. Not gonna get it.
2, 3, 4.
I like how you set up the chat to censor everything and not allow
I didn't
embedding
do
of
that on
images.
purpose. I didn't do that on purpose.
Because then we would have seen some sort of a naked thing.
So apparently you're the reason that people don't watch this stream.
Oh, I am.
The internet is
okay.
saying. But what they should be watching is Drew Blood right here. Oh, counter into the corner. Macintosh catches an elbow. Waiting, another elbow there. Glancing blow. Drew Blood biding his time. Fistful of hair. Clubbing blows to the chest there. Here we go. Diamond Dust Face Buster.
Love it. Count it, ref.
This should be it. 1, 2, and no!
It was slow.
Who was slow?
The ref.
How was the ref slow?
It was a slow count. That should have been 3.
I'm not
I counted
kidding.
to like 10 back here.
I'm glad you can count to 10 in 2 seconds. Here we go. Drew Blood in control now. Here's the scary part. Drew Blood doesn't even look pain at this point in the match. And you look across the ring. Matt Macintosh looks exhausted. He looks gassed at this point.
Well, I mean, that's the advantage of being a smaller competitor. You can use the go longer.
Drew Blood trying to fight.
Come on.
Get off got oh, that.
It was 2.
2.
It was 2. Come on. It was a normal count that time. It was perfectly fine. 2
Thought
count.
the shoulders were down, I'm going to be honest. Forearm right to the
love
face.
it when a man just forearms another in the face. It's fantastic.
You love when a man does something else.
What juice?
Can't get it going out of the corner. Macintosh trying to fight his way out of this situation.
That's it. Just beat him up a little. That's good.
Off the ropes here. Drew Blood counters. Double crossbody.
Well, I don't know who got the worst of that.
I gotta think that Drew Blood got the worst of that. The bigger frame falling down as gravity as you
Physics. Just think about it. Bigger man, bigger impact.
I'm agreeing with you.
You are?
You're fighting. I'm agreeing. 2 men down. Only one can win the matchup here in a spot WPW has in this lineup here. So, is there rankings in World Professional Wrestling? These guys consider the heavyweight title, the heavyweight title?
Absolutely. We have a light heavyweight ladder match later on this evening, and Drew Blood is next in line.
Good right hands here. Matt Macintosh can knock him off. Trying to knock his head off right here. A series of right hands.
I hate it when a guy punches him in the face. Come on.
And finally, Drew Blood reaches the canvas.
Just punch him in the face like 10 times. How is that legal?
Marco Polo listening to the crowd here, letting things take their natural course. And Matt Macintosh is trying to have this matchup end very quickly. Here he goes. Drew Blood saw it coming.
There it is, the smarts. Oh, this is it.
Here's
This is
going
the
on the
end.
top here.
Victory roll. Do it. Roll through. What?
Throws him up. That's a long way down. Up on the back of the head. Face first into the canvas. Gets him up, fireman's carry.
No. What's he gonna do?
Unbelievable variation of the Michinoku driver. 2 and 3. Matt Macintosh steals one. From Drew Blood.
Matt Macintosh, I'm impressed. I am genuinely impressed.
There is a ladder match coming soon for the light heavyweight title. Not the boot. It looks like a boot. But the big story right now, Matt Macintosh defeats Drew Blood right here at Old School in Hamburg, Pennsylvania. This is just the beginning. We have a title match later in the card. Ricky Reyes and the product, David Starr,